Hello Divi members, my name is Lav Slati and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import the demo content of the Salley Divi child theme. Okay, so let's go to my screen and I will show you how you can do that. Alright, as you can see on my screen, this is the Divi Salley channel theme. If you have purchased from my shop like diviawesome.com, or if you have purchased from any other marketplace, for example, Elegant Themes or Elegant Marketplace, Divi Cake. So now let me tell you how you can import the demo content of this Divi Salley channel theme. Okay, so this is the demo version of what you have purchased, and once we import the demo content, this will be exactly same as like this. Okay, now to do that, I will suggest you, or I will recommend you to have a fresh installation of WordPress and as well as Divi, like a latest version. Okay, first thing first, you have to install the Divi theme. So simply just go to the themes and then click on add new and then upload the theme. Okay, now let me just open my theme, which is over here. Open, and then I will just click on the install now, and this will install the Divi theme. And after that, we are going to import or I will install the plugin of our child theme, and then I will import the demo content. Okay, now mostly people just upload my theme in the theme. Now it sounds like a theme, but it's actually a plugin. Like the way I export all the data, it comes in the plugin version, not in the theme version. That's why it shows style sheet.css is missing in most of the part. Now what, like, after installing the theme, what you have to do? Okay, so just go to the plugins and click on the add new, and once you click on the add new, then click on this upload plugin, choose files, and now let me tell you what file you have to import or upload over here. Okay, so Divi Awesome, then I will just go over here, then Salley, and this is the installer that you will get once you purchase the child theme from my shop or any other marketplace. Okay, now over here, as you can see, this says Salley Divi child theme plugin installer. Okay, so make sure to install as a plugin, not as a theme. Okay, now I will just click on open and then install now, and this will take a couple of seconds or minutes depending on your server and internet speed. So once this is done, then we will see some of the settings, and then we will just click on begin site import, and that will do the rest of the part. Okay, so now let's wait for the, okay, now it's done. So you just have to click on this activate plugin, and once you click on this activate plugin, now what you have to do next is go over here, Salley Divi child theme plugin installer, and right now there is no video over here, but in your case, like once you download this, once you upload this the installer, then maybe you will see one video over here, which is the documentation video. So for example, if you need any help with the header customization, or if you stuck anywhere in the theme, that video will help you to solve that part. Okay, so for example, if you want to change the logo but you don't know how to change the logo, so that video will cover that part, and you can watch that video and you will just resolve that issue without contacting me. But in some cases, like whenever you want me, don't worry about that, go to my website like diviawesome.com, and at the right bottom over here you will see Divi help. Just click on that, you can contact me on Messenger. Okay, so okay, let's get back to the installation part. So now over here it says content. Okay, we need that because in that we need rows, pages, product, and etc. And then set homepage, that's okay. Widgets, okay. Menu, okay. Divi library layouts, templates, so we definitely need that. Divi theme builder settings, for example, header, footer, and other theme builder part, which is blog, something like that. Okay, Divi settings, yeah, definitely we need that. And then these are the plugins that we are using. So SVG support, WP page navi, a recent post widgets with thumbnails, smash, balloon, Instagram feed. Okay, and over here it says Salley Divi child theme. It will import and activate as well. So, and yes, definitely we need all of those stuff. Okay, so now I will just click on this begin site import, and once you click on this begin site import, this will start the installation of the importing of the demo content. Okay, this is the plugin, this is the plugin, and this is the Divi theme which is already there. So it will just say theme exists. In some cases, if you don't have the Divi theme and you just click on begin site import, then it will stop over here. Like there will be one error which says theme is missing, like the parent theme is missing. Okay, so make sure that you upload the parent theme first and then install the plugin and begin site import. Okay, now over here there are a lot of images that we are using, and in one block there are 5 images. If you can see this, we have 21 blocks, so definitely there are a lot of images, so this will take a couple of minutes to import the all the images and everything. Okay, so once this is done, then I will get back to you. All right, as you can see, it's almost done, and it's done. Okay, so now as you can see over here, your site package has been imported. Okay, now everything is imported, and let's see how it looks like on the front end. Okay, so let's visit the website. Okay, so as you can see over here, we have the menu, we have our logo over here, text and button, images, and everything is perfect. Everything looks okay, and yeah, it seems good to me. So as you can see, all the pages and everything is important, and let's check other pages as well, because sometimes there is problem with other pages. So let's check it out. So yeah, definitely it looks okay to me. Um, yeah, now one thing, if you see over here, it says index.php, and if you don't need that, so what you have to do is that go back to your WordPress dashboard and then just hover over it to the settings, go to the permalinks, and choose the post name instead of the custom structure. Okay, in some cases it's already a post name, but in my hosting, which is cloud-based hosting, so it says the custom structure. Okay, and one more thing, if you go to the blog, then you will find that there is one new blog. Okay, right now it's not here, but generally it's here. So because there is one blog which posted by the cloud-based, so definitely we need to delete that. You just have to delete this one, and obviously you are going to add your blog, so definitely you need to delete all those blogs. Okay, so for this video, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and definitely you successfully installed the or imported the demo content of the Salley Divi child theme. And if you still need my help, don't worry about that. You can always contact me on support@duogeeks.com, or you can use Divi Awesome, and just click on this help at the right side, right bottom, and you can contact me over there. Okay, so hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.